we've been so busy that we ain't had a chance to get a little practice in. And you know, you gotta work on your craft because, come on baby, you gotta stay ready nowadays, you know. And my boy, he jumped up, he couldn't wait on me, you know. He needed that extra practice. Everybody know who that is. And I give him a head start. I'm gonna jump in here and jump on his head right quick, and I'll be back.
You know, what up? We see we got Sid back out here. You know, he's still supporting. I mean, a lot of y'all keep talking, y'all gonna come, but don't nobody ever come but Sid. Just saying. First round. All right, see, you can't see. He started off at 7 feet. Okay. Said he going from that top right. He ain't scared. He going. Y'all, as y'all can see, it's just one hole there right now. See it?
Hey,
the people want to see it. Y'all want to see it?
Got to deliver.
He got to deliver. You know, he called it out there. It's like playing spades right now. Don't get scared now. You said you going Boston. Let's go.
Speaking of spades, I got a tale for you later.
Okay. He's a little low on it.
Didn't work on that
round.
I see y'all need a head start.
Look, scared man.
Pop in here.
Look, we ain't started the competition yet.
But y'all get that practice in.
Some people call it that. I'm passing the time. Yeah, we'll alternate, so we'll keep that one off to the side. Yeah. This one I almost feel like you flinched or something. Like right when you squeezed it, you kind of.
Yeah, well, it's like I'm trying to keep it centered. I'm choking it or whatever, man. I got to just relax.
Yeah, good grip, deep breaths though.
Yep.
Somebody just told me they finna start something, so I'm putting some accountability on it right here. Next Friday.
Next Friday.
Next Friday, y'all see. That's what he told me. Next Friday. Today's date is 11. It's the day after Thanksgiving. You would think I would know that. 11/25. So next Friday, expect something new coming from Sid. Come on, Woo. Sometime today, Woo. You know what you over there doing, man?
Can I get set up, brother?
I'm just asking the question.
Hey, cause you had an hour head start.
Hour, man. I just been on here about 3 minutes, man. About 3 minutes. What y'all think? About 3, 4, 5 minutes.
We'll see when the video come out.
Your time now. People want to know, can you hit that little dot?
There's a little paper too.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Was that an excuse or what are we saying?
Man, why you always trying to start shit, man? You full of it.
Oh, I gotta give my bro some shit.
Hey, he just trying that pressure, but
there it is. See what I do when I get in his head? Look, get in his head.
You're not dropping it. Wait a minute.
Huh?
I don't need to shoot no more. I don't need to shoot no more. He said I couldn't hit the orange.
See, I had to get in his head. He out here thinking it's practice, man. It's always game time. Okay. Yeah,
I don't play around.
That's an actual hit. It's an actual hit. I'm proud of him.
Got one more spot to hit.
Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take it. I'm still a little low, but overall, I'll take it. Yeah, he timing them.
Oh.
Yeah. That's good. All right, hey, another good day at the range. We got Sid, we got Trey, we got Opie back there. Hey man, we come on out to High Caliber.
Come see Opie.
Yeah, come out to High Caliber.
Come out, guys. Come out and see us.
Yeah.
We're here all day.
A lot of people didn't even know there was a gun range in Urbana, Illinois.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
We
so.
get questions all the time.
Yep.
Been coming for years.
Yep. Spread the word, man. Come get a deal. Sign up for a year. Get a subscription. Come out, practice every weekend.
We got 9mm.
Got a nice stack
On sale.
right there. They got 9mm rounds, 500 for 160. Come get you some. All right, we out. Peace.